Understanding from the get-go, a deep dive into this popular phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you've probably heard in English conversations, from the get-go. This expression is not only popular but also paints a vivid picture of beginning and timelines. So, if you've been curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and master, from the get-go, together. From the get-go is an idiomatic expression that means from the very beginning or from the start. It's used to indicate that something has been the case since the very earliest point of an activity or process. This phrase is informal and commonly used in spoken English, making it a great addition to your conversational vocabulary. While the exact origin of "from the get-go" is a bit murky, it's believed to have originated in the United States around the mid-20th century. Some suggest it comes from sports or racing, where getting a good start is crucial. Others believe it might have originated from the phrase, "get going," which means to start moving or to begin. Regardless of its origins, it's a phrase that has found its way into everyday English language, showcasing the dynamic and evolving nature of the language. To fully grasp how to use "from the get-go," let's look at some examples. She had the competition won from the get-go, leading the race right from the start. I knew from the get-go that this project was going to be a success. Their chemistry was obvious from the get-go. They were meant to be together. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the importance of the initial stage or moment. When using "from the get-go," remember, it's best suited for informal contexts. While it's a great phrase for conversations, it might not be the best choice for formal writings, like academic papers. "From the get-go" can be replaced with synonyms like "from the beginning," "from the start," or "right away," depending on the tone and style you're aiming for. And that's everything you need to know about "from the get-go." We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this popular phrase and how you can start using it in your conversations. Remember, exploring idiomatic expressions like this one is a fantastic way to enrich your English vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.